The meeting is commencing, everybody.
About that.
You got it? What was that, Tim?
Is that better? I mean, I'm getting
Good afternoon, everyone.
at least something.
Thank you
Nope.
for
Nope.
being
That's not right.
part of Commencement 2025.
That's
Colleagues to kind of fill in with their areas of oversight, like Rachel for professional and lineup. And then Dean Matthews, maybe a little bit about, excuse me, how we. Angela, is there any reminders or details that you want to let anyone know that's helping on your side for element checking? Okay. So Angela, you're so when they come in, just direct them to the elevators to take the CR level to the green room, which is up there. That green room will have the gowns, the hoods, the TAMs, everything that they need, and they'll get assistance with robing with the volunteers up there. Laisha is overseeing the green room. I don't know who the volunteers are in the green room. Oop, I'm sorry, scared myself. That's you, and that's it? Johnny, okay. I'm like, I think you need more than just, you don't? Okay, go ahead, okay. All right, I stand corrected. So that will be going on. There will be refreshments. So I've talked to Laisha about an order. I will confirm with her tonight, but I would like to have enough refreshments so that when you get here at 8:30, you should be able to go grab something, a light refreshment, grab something, and then get to your locations before everything starts. So I'll make sure that there's enough for the volunteers as well. Any questions about the green room, faculty arrivals, timing, where to send them, etc.? Okay, processional of the students. I'm going to turn that over to Rachel to help me with, because every time I ask, someone tells me they have that covered. So I don't want to say anything out of turn. I think I understand it, but I just wanted to make sure that we have the numbers and whatnot. And then, Kristen, are you going to be lining up the LLMs? And then Dean Stein will be lining up the JDs. Rachel, is there anything else? I'm sorry.
Blue band music.
That was going to be another question I had. So I have reserve signs to reserve Kristen that first, and then Maria the last. Okay. Because we always have someone who has to go to the restroom, someone needs a drink, someone's having a panic attack. They kind of help them go out those doors where there's some volunteers. Okay. Okay. Okay, and I was looking for the programs as well. Yeah, because, well, we don't have all of them, right, Samantha? They're coming. Yeah, so we have some here, and then the others are being delivered. The ones that are being delivered we'll use to set up for the students, the graduates. What we have here, I'm going to use to set up the stage. So once I get done, we do? Okay. Well, we maybe can do what we can use, what we need on stage and the rest out here, but we don't have all of them right now. There's a set of them that's on arrival. That I don't know yet, but we do have a few boxes from what I understand, so. So signs will be on the stage, on this side, stage right, and then the JD will be on the side for stage left. Okay, I'm sorry, Rachel, go ahead.
So I do have NPCs on this side, just in case maybe somebody who said they're not participating shows up, or I don't know, just because.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't do any NPCs on this side because I just thought it's easier just to tell them, go the whole way down, go the whole way down.
Mm-hmm.
We don't really use the NPCs over there, so I thought let's just use them. Brandon is singing at the beginning.
Yes. So Brandon will be over here, and will he stay there? Is going to be his position the whole time, so that okay. 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 Okay.
And then the JD speaker and the singer at the end, I'll talk with about what to do once they walk.
Okay. Sounds good. And so to cue them and whatnot, when it's time for Timmy to come up, someone will go get him so he knows that they'll flag him so he can come over, right? So is that going to be you? Who will that be? Maria? Okay. She texted me. She's on her way. They left the ADI a little late. I can get with Maria, and then we'll make it work. I just wanted to make sure I knew who was in charge of that, so we didn't leave it open. Right. Well, I think it's important, but also because I'm upstage, I'm trying to also make sure I know what's going on. It's good that everybody else does, but if I don't know, then I don't know where there's gaps. So once you figure that out, if you'll just either Teams me or something so I can put it in my notes so I know who's going to do that. I mean, it's just as easy if I just let Maria know, because she'll be out here to go get him. I just want to make sure we have a flow, because students will also, if they're not done yet, they're still coming to their seats from taking their pictures. Okay. Jimmy, you're in row B, sit on the edge, that last seat, and that way you can just easily come back up to the podium when they signal you. Thank you. Thank you, Rachel. Makes sense. Okay. Rushana, is she here? Okay, hi, Rushana. We could, Kristen, do you mind doing that? Make sure that we flag her, and then just, make sure to, and have her come up. What row is that she's sitting on? Double E. And then I'll have that, Kristen, you'll notate it. Your run of show is over here. I'm gonna take you and Maria off the stage. However, you can kind of make a note in your run of show where you want to do that, just in case you need it or whatever. But if you don't want the run of show, feel free to discard it. Okay, so I think we have it. Timmy, Rashana, Erica, Brandon, those are our student speakers. Is there any questions about that? Anything else we need to think about? Final details about that? Movement? Okay, sounds good. Accessible seating. I think we had like 8 or 9 requests. I don't know if we had any post that, but we have, I think, from what I understand, a whole row that's designated for accessible seating. In the very back. Okay.
So one, like if there's a person in a wheelchair, they can have a companion with them.
Okay.
So that the rest of the families sit in the row
In front.
because otherwise there's just too many people.
Absolutely.
And I'll be saving some seats in different places.
Just in case, okay. In terms of navigating that and seat placement, will we have Eisenhower team helping us with that, or will that be, we need to have volunteers? Okay. All right, any questions, any adds on that? We appreciate Eisenhower taking care of that, thank you. Okay, and so after that, I'm sorry? The processional LLMs go first, then JDs go, and then the stage party, special guests and faculty administrators will all process in. According to the run of show, everyone will stay standing until after the national anthem is sung, and then Dean Romero will take the podium. Jonathan Berger, Pro Tem, you're going to get everything started right at 10:30. You'll be walking out, and then, yep. That was my question. You're going to do it from the center, because that's when I saw the last year's ceremony. It was from the podium there. That's where I believe you should go. Am I wrong there, anyone? Is it different? That's where Wendy was last year, so. He's going to do the opening of the convocation from the podium.
Welcome to the Law School Commencement 2025. Testing the microphone, 1, 2, 3. 1.
Yeah, they like it.
Thank you.